Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn on message reminder notifications on Instagram using your PC, especially after the latest update. If you've been missing important messages or simply want to stay on top of your chats, enabling message reminders is a great way to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings properly. Once you're inside the app, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on those lines to open up more options. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the main control panel where you can customize your Instagram experience. Next, inside Settings, look for the Notifications section and click on it. This is where you manage all alerts and reminders related to your account. Now, within Notifications, click on Push Notifications. This section lets you control what kind of alerts Instagram sends you in real time. Scroll through the options until you find Message Reminders. Once you see it, you'll notice a few choices available. To make sure you receive reminders consistently, select From Everyone.